guys, welcome to our channel. Nandito kami sa labas guys kasi yung weather katamtaman lang siya. Maybe 60s and 40s. Yung 40s yung cold, yung 60s yung warm. So, kapag nasa sun ka, maybe baliktad. 40 yung warm percent and then 60% yung warm. Nagalaro si TJ at saka si Daddy guys. Ay, time check nga pala guys. It's 4:32 na. Kaya naglaro muna sila Daddy ngayon. Maybe 5 o'clock we're gonna go inside the house para mag-start na mag-prepare ng for dinner.
Okay.
Laro sila guys. Makita.
Oh, come on, hurry up.
Yeah, I did.
Come on, go in.
I did.
Come on, go play.
Come on, hurry up, last one. I gotta back start.
Okay, Mom. Okay, Dad. Eat bread. Okay, go ahead. Who's next? Who's next?
Out na si Daddy. Out na si. Just warm up first.
Aw. Come on. I'm
Yes, is that.
waiting. Mommy.
What?
I'm waiting. Wait. I need a song. Kind song neat.
What kind of song?
Wait, Dad.
Remove
Dad,
your jacket if
it's
you
a
want.
song. You can't sing a song. You can't song.
Where are you going?
I get a song.
Okay, remove the jacket.
I gotta start trimming. Slam it on a Jaguar, just put it up there.
Okay. You're gonna play a song and you're gonna dance, okay? That's why we go here outside so that you can play. I-show ko muna sa inyo guys yung leaves. Nag-change na. So, yellow lang. All yellow lang guys. Ang apple namin, wala nang bunga. O paubos ng bunga. Bukas guys, mag-cut kami ng grass. Look at our grass guys. Tingnan nyo. Madami na. Yung apple namin konti. Ayan pa lang yung nag-change ng leaves namin guys. Yellow. Yellow pa lang. At saka yan. Yung parang ang tawag yan? Parang maroon violet. Ayan. Nag-change. Yung iba wala ng leaves. Kaya nagliparan. Tapos yan pa lang guys. Yan pa lang. Maingay doon sa may guys, may sumba-sumba. Motor-motor siya. Ayan guys, ipakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan nyo guys, ang dami ng leaves naglipad at nahulog. Ito siya guys, oh. Tingnan nyo. Ayaw kong hawakan. Kasi matinik. Ayan siya. Kita nyo may mga bunga-bunga. Tapos yan, change na sa ang leaves. Ito yung doon pa sa likod. Okay. Maano kasi madulas yung chanelas. Yung roses ko guys, marami ng yung mga tangkay niya. Yung mga tangkay niya, 'di ba? Naman, ay nasangit. Marami namang nagtubo o nag-usbong. Pasbong na naman yung guys. Ganun din doon sa kabila guys, dito sa kabila. Yan, ang dami guys, dami-daming bunga ng rosas. Yan, kita nyo guys, peach siya, tapos mag light pink, then mag white. Yan. Man guys, yung tanim ko dito sa gilid, mamatay na ito sila. Tapos magbalik sila every year. Next year na naman sila magbalik.
Hi.
What?
Come on. Come on,
Dance party. Nag-play siya ng song, guys. Nag-play siya ng song.
dance. It's a dance party.
Play siya ng music, guys. Kaya magsayaw siya. Okay, start dance now.
Okay, what hats?
Got my
Is
hat.
our hat or
The-
this hat?
Daddy wants the red one.
No, I got my hat on. I don't need.
Oh,
He got hat. He got hat. You have hat? I'll give you some. You
Okay.
have a hat or not?
No.
Hey,
Just
do you
later.
have hat or not?
I have a hat. Yes, I do.
Okay. What hat do you want?
Red.
Red? Here you go. Oh, what about you can turn there?
Okay.
Good, here.
Okay, dance now. You play the... Make it sure you not drop the iPod, huh?
Find
Yeah, I
your
ride
bracket.
my
You have
bike
your
now.
Sneakers on, not
Yeah, I ride
slippers.
my
You're gonna
bike.
slip and fall. Huh?
Behind my bike?
Yeah, get your bike.
Okay. I can't get my bike. It will help me.
Yeah, Mommy will.
Pretend like a drive-through or... There's a water there that you can drink. Yeah.
Okay, come on. Mom.
Minsan nag-you guys, maingay kasi ano,
Okay, go back.
nag-cut ng grass
Hey,
yung
Mom.
kapitbahay namin. Where you going?
Okay,
Just there.
Mom.
No, I want my base here.
Mom, come here.
This is my base. I'm gonna stay here.
Okay, come on. Go
Yours.
there. You're right there.
No, I don't want in the grass.
Oh, wait. I remember your baseball.
Ginawa niyang ano guys.
Ball, you did like this. Not like this.
Okay.
Okay? Like this.
Hiram niya yung cane ng daddy niya guys.
Okay, here you go. Here. You're okay.
Ako ang maghawak ng ano, cane. Kaya siya ang mag-bat. No, straight on me. Straight on me. No, move here on the left side. Okay, that's enough.
You ready?
We're not straight. Need to kick only, okay?
You need to like
No, I want like that. Na, see? Natanggal ang chanelas ko.
if it's right now, it's like
Okay. Ang kahoy namin guys. Ready yan pong winter. Bukas na ako mag-trim doon sa gilid-gilid guys. Nakita nyo sa tabi ng may nagatubo naman. Sa tabi ng mga kahoy. Kay mag-cut kami ng grass ni daddy bukas. Tapos ako doon sa labas.
Here, get it. Take it.
Lapit yan na salo guys.
I'm ready.
Hindi masyadong malamig kapag nasa araw ka. Kapag nasa lilim.
Stop!
Kapag nasa lilim ka.
Go! Mommy, you're not listening.
Yan na yung bola guys. Sisipain na natin. Ready? You're gonna kick it.
That means stop.
Okay.
Okay. Stop corners. When you have a ball, give me the ball, okay?
Uh-huh.
When you have a ball, give me it.
Okay, here.
Will you play a new game? It's called tag. Do you play tag before?
Mhm.
When you run, everybody, you talk. When you run, everybody, they tag you, okay?
Mhm.
You ready? Go!
Yan yung leaves namin doon guys sa likod na yellow lang. What?
Wait a second.
So, ayan yung ginagawa niya guys. Ginamit niya yung cane ni Daddy buang. Oh. Ang sila dalawa guys.
Hey, wait, when the ball is here, if the ball go in the water, you win. Okay, you ready, Mom? You need, okay, throw. Come on, Mom, hurry up, covered. Covered.
It did. Oh, it stayed. The ball just stayed there. How Daddy throws. Oh, it's so... Yan, para magtakbo-takbo siya dyan guys sa damuhan. Sige. Kaso lang ayaw niya mag sneakers. Gusto niya nakatsanyelas lang. Laro sila guys. Yep.
You ready, Mom?
Yeah. Ready to cover?
You ready, Dad? Do it again. Do it again.
Lahat ng mga kapitbahay namin guys, ginaano ni TJ. Hey, hi.
Do it again.
Ready?
Yan yung nakatira sa likod namin guys.
Oh.
Friend ni TJ lahat ng kapitbahay namin, lalo na yung may mga edad. Loko-lokohin din kasi siya guys.
Ready? Go. Daddy!
You miss it.
What are you doing? You
Trying
need...
to hit you with it.
Daddy! What are you... Daddy! What are you...
Nabinyagan yung sapatos ni Daddy bagong deliver.
Daddy! You need to throw with your hand.
Ayaw niya nang ialis guys yung sapatos niya. Customize siya na shoes guys. Yung magbili ka ng magpili ka ng design tapos sila ang maggawa. Pili ka ng hindi katulad sa ibang sapatos na
Mommy! It bounced in the wall.
yung pagbili mo naka-design na kagad. Ito kay parang magpili ka tapos sila ang maglagay sa sapatos. Yep. I'll try it again. Wow.
Oh, there we go.
Ikaw ang magpili guys ng
Mom!
Try it in the wall. Exercise that
Daddy,
one.
that's not your turn. That's Daddy. Mommy's turn.
Wait.
Here you go.
Almost done.
Mom, it's your turn.
Yeah, almost done.
Mommy, what are you doing?
That's how you play soccer.
Daddy, what? How do you do that?
Oh.
Ayaw kasi niya magsapatos. Tingnan. Dahan-dahan yung pagtakbo.
Here, Dad.
So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Daddy.